Hello my brothers and sisters, and welcome back to another episode of Chris the Butcher and Friends. And tonight, we're having one of these. Brothers and sisters, I give to you Chris the Butcher's Supercool Review. So, I was walking round Asda, as you do, buying the two most important things that you need in your life, and that is bog rolls and beer. So while I was in Asda, I was looking through the freezers. I always do. I always see if I see anything new I hadn't tried or tested before. And I came across Findus Pizza Pockets ham and cheese, and apparently they're new. Well, they might be. To me, they are anyway, because I've never seen them before. Ham and cheese, microwave in 2 minutes, right? Doesn't. I've looked at the instructions. A 900 watt microwave, which mine is one of the most powerful ones you can. It's 3 minutes. And then you're going to leave it for standing for 2 minutes. There's two in this pack. They were £1.75. Probably not that cheap for what they are, I'll be honest. Alright. Tasty with microwave from frozen. Why when something's not frozen, does it microwave it fucking different? Make it taste less nice, makes it more shit. Oh god. There's a rake of allergens in these, and this is how they roll. Wait, milk. That's it. Right? Please ensure food is cooked until piping hot. Yeah. Thanks for that. Findus Pizza Pockets, the deliciously cheesy pizza snack that takes 2 minutes in the microwave. Put one in today to get that melty cheese deliciousness in your face. It doesn't say face, it says life, but I thought I put face in your life. Aww. Right, let's get them open, let's have a look and slide them in the microwave. So, that's them, right? I have to take away that packaging, but I've got to microwave them on that cardboard on them, right? So I will do that. They don't look too sharp, they look a pack of shit to be quite honest. That from there looks like probably a used tampon of some description. I'll get them out of there and I'll slide them in microwave and I'll be back to you when they are microwaved. Have you finished? That has been 3 minutes. And I've got an apology to make to Findus. It said they can cook in 2 minutes, and they can, if you do one at a time. I was looking at cooking 2 at a time. And there they are, in all their glory. Findus Pizza Pockets. Right, I've got to let that settle now for 2 minutes, and when that's done, I'm going to get up here and slide one of these down my gizzard. So here we have our Findus Pizza Pockets, right? I'm not going to lie to you right now. That is hotter than the sun. And when I bite into this, I might as well be biting into Mount Vesuvius. Right. Ah, how? That was hot. I'm putting that down because it's shit. I'm getting Joe out, just start fucking chew through pizza base thing. No taste to it. Well then, still chewing fucking pizza base. That is stodgy as fucking hell, right? If you see him in supermarket, don't bother. Findus, make something decent with you. You know what I mean? I reviewed your very new, brand new recipe, Findus crispy pancakes, and they were fucking shit. Them are shit, right? £1.75 for them two. £1.75. And do you know what? Tesco's do a cheap pizza that'll feed, well, it'll feed two of us, or it'll feed both my kids and a bit of leftovers for 67p. And it tastes 10 times better than that shite. Value for money, 0. Taste, 2. Overall, bullshit, fuck it, 1 out of 10. Absolute fucking garbage. So as you can tell by my review of that product, that was mighty fucking shite. I quite enjoyed it. No, I didn't. It was bollocks, it was crap. You know what? It'll make a turd. And that's about it. But, so I didn't like it, but I hope you guys like this. If you did, press like, comment, share it on your social media, and subscribe. I'll become a family member of Teamctb, where I fucking love you.